Welcome, neighbor, welcome to the Okefenokee. Welcome, neighbor, welcome. You surely made our day. You should have seen us sitting friendly. We thought you would never get here. So glad you did. So let's get on our way.
Okefenokee is no hokey pokey. Don't never hurry, and they got no worry. Moses is smiling a song. Take her advice and you'll never go wrong. Say okey dokey to the Okefenokee. You're gonna forget it and never regret it. There's a whole lot of stuff like I told you before. Once you have tried it, you'll holler for more. She's a big mama. Okefenokee is no hokey pokey, but don't let that fool ya. There's a lot she can school ya. So come on along, bring a smile and a song. You'll be in paradise before very long. Take a rabbit, whatever you do, or else he's gonna wind up in a kettle of stew. Save the rabbit, save the rabbit.
Before you go further, we just thought we'd warn you. There's creatures up ahead that are liable to scorn you. And we've heard that is true. There are some don't get through. I'd turn around and go back as if I was you. Go back, turn around, go back.
The Okefenokee is an old hokey pokey. The Okefenokee is the pride and joy of the dear old South. Black-eyed peas and shut my mouth. The Okefenokee is an old hokey pokey. Yes, Christmas time is blissful time in the Okefenokee. Okefenokee is the pride and joy of the dear old South. Black-eyed peas and shut my mouth. The Okefenokee is an old hokey pokey. Yes, Christmas time is blissful time in the Okefenokee. Okefenokee is an old hokey pokey. Don't ever hurry, 'cause it ain't got no worry. Just moseying along with a smile and a song. Take her advice and you'll never go wrong. If you say okey dokey to the Okefenokee, you ain't gonna forget it and you'll never regret it. There's a whole lot in store, like I told you before. Once you have tried it, you'll holler for more.
Bye now. Y'all hurry back, you hear?